Welcome. In today's video, we're going to show you how to disable offline emails on Gmail from your PC. If you've been getting offline copies of your emails and prefer not to have them anymore, you can easily turn this feature off. Let's go through the steps together. First, open your web browser and head over to *gmail.com. Log in with your Google account if you're not already signed in. Once you're in, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a small gear icon. Go ahead and click on it to open the settings menu. From the drop-down menu, click on See All Settings. This will take you to the full settings page, where you can adjust a wide range of Gmail options. Now, at the top of the settings page, you'll see different tabs. Click on the tab that says Offline Huaro. This is where you can control whether your emails are available offline or not. Once you're on the offline settings page, you'll see an option to Enable Offline Mail. If this option is checked, that means offline email access is currently active. To disable it, simply uncheck the box next to Enable Offline Mail. After that, scroll down a bit and click on the Save Changes button to confirm your decision. And that's it. You've successfully disabled offline emails in Gmail. From now on, Gmail will no longer keep copies of your emails available when you're not connected to the internet. Disabling offline mail can help you reduce unnecessary storage on your device and ensure that all your emails are only accessible when you're online. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and/or subscribe to the channel for more tips on managing your Gmail settings and other helpful tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.